Today topic is the birth defects, chromosomal and genetic factors. Birth defects, chromosomal and genetic factors. Chromosomal abnormalities are two types. Number one is the numerical, in which the number is disturbed. Say normal chromosome number is 46, including the sex chromosome as well as autosomal chromosome, which are the 44 and two sex chromosome. The their number varies. It actually happens is that during anaphase, when the of mitosis or meiosis, when the pairs are separating or chromatid in case of mitosis are separating, the one of them is failed to separate from their original chromatid. Sister chromatid is failed to separate and both chromatid pass to other side. So that lead to variation in number. For example, if after division 46 chromatid that cell divide and 46 chromatid that is passed on, it actually develops its replica 46 chromatid which are present in cell before division that develop its replica which is sister chromatid. Now sister chromatid when develop their number become 92 chromatid in one cell before the division start. That is actually not 92, but the double chromatid name is given chromosome. So they are 46 chromosome. The difference between the chromatid and chromosome is chromatid is single stranded DNA. When it develops its sister chromatid or the replica, then two chromatid together name is given chromosome. Because there are 46 chromatid before the cell division start, they develop their sister chromatid, and in this way they become double stranded or 46 chromosome or 92 chromatid. When cell divide in mitosis, it gives one chromatid to each cell, daughter cell, because there are 92 chromatid total. 46 will pass to one daughter cell, 46 will pass to another daughter cell, and then they will develop their replica, and again process is continuing. So if the say instead of one may not pass on to the other cell chromatid that fail to separate. So in this way the number varies, which is they become the 47 in one and 45 in the other, because one failed to separate and pass on to the one cell, other may fail to receive that. So that become 46, 45 and the 47. That which in which the chromatid does not pass, that become 45, in which that pass become 47. So this is the numerical problem. Structural problem is, we mean the part of the chromosome is separate part of the chromosome. Say there are two chromatid and one of the two chromatid forming the chromosome, and one of the chromatid its part is that is the maybe get lost during anaphase when they are separating, or they may attach to another chromosome. This part is separated and passed to another chromosome. A part of the chromatid is separated and passed to the other chromosome, like 14 and 21 in Down syndrome. The exchange occur attached to that. So that is the structural abnormalities in which the chromosome, part of the chromosome is break down, either it get lost in the cytoplasm or it may attach to any other chromosome. Say 14 part of the chromosome may attach to the 21 and that become three components which are the trisomy, and in which the part is lost, that is monosomy. So this is the structural abnormality. Numerical, when the number varies. Numerical abnormalities, so these all are related to the anomalies occurring due to mitosis and meiosis. So it is we have discussed the anomalies, that is the mitosis and meiosis. What is their clinical application? This is the clinical application, chromosomal abnormality. And it occurs only due to non-disjunction. That is the one pair may be fail to separate. In a meiosis, pair separate. Bivalent pair are there, that two set of chromosome attached by synaptonemal complex, they fail to separate. So one chromosome pass to along with the other to one side, other will be passed. So the one will become 24, other become 22. Otherwise, the 46 chromosome divide into 23, 23 in the meiosis. Each cell receive 23 chromosome. If one chromosome fail to detach, and then it pass on to the side, change the number 24, other will be in which it is not pass, it become 22. So that is the related, this topic is related with the meiosis and mitosis disjunction, or there may be structural or component of the chromosome may separate and either may lost or may attach to any other chromosome to lead to the various syndromes. That is structural abnormality. Numerical abnormality, human somatic cell, जो body cells हैं, there are two type of cells. Whole body cell like upper limb, lower limb, liver, intestine, other organs which is developing, that is somatic cells. Whereas the gametes term used for oocyte and sperms, that is occurring in gonads, ovaries and testes. So there are two types. Somatic cell which form the whole body contain 46 chromosomes. Normal gamete, oocyte and sperm contain 23 single N or haploid number of chromosomes. It is essential that oocyte and sperm must have 23 because when zygote is formed, it becomes 46, which is the normal diploid number of the human body chromosome. Normal somatic cells, they are diploid are 2n, that is 46. Normal gamete, they are haploid or n. This is essential. And this is for, this phenomena is for the genetic variation. You have seen this, the patches are formed in the patchitine stage of the meiosis 1, and in which a patch of the chromosome is separated, attached to the other. So lead to genetic variations. So for genetic variations, combination of the sperm and oocyte is important, that is derived from maternal and mother and father. The oocyte must contain 23 and sperm must contain 23. They combine to form 46. If they will be 46, 46, then they become 92, which is not the human chromosome number. So reduction division is important in gametes in order to form the zygote 46. Euploid, term used to any exact multiple of n. That is the 23 ko if you multiply with 2, it becomes 46, which is diploid. If 23 is multiplied with 3, it becomes 69, which is triploid. So that we say normal number. Euploid mean normal. Exact multiple of n. That may be a multiple of the n. That is the, we say okay, it is euploid. Although diploid is the human chromosome number, triploid is lead to some problems, and that we'll talk later on. Problem of the triploid. Aneuploid refer to any chromosome number that is not exact euploid. Aneuploid which deviate from the n. So that is not divided by 23. It may be an abnormal number, euploid, aneuploid, which is not multiple of the uh, euploid. So it is applied when an extra chromosome is present. Trisomy, as I have just explained, it becomes 24. So 24 is not the 24 cell will combine, say if it is a oocyte is 24 for example, sperm is 23. So oocyte and sperm will combine, they become 47 because normal number of sperm is 23, and if the female number due to non-disjunction is 24, that becomes 47, which is not a multiple of n, 23. If you double it becomes 46, not 47. So aneuploid refer to any chromosome number that is not euploid, that is not divided by 23. It is applied when an extra chromosome is present, trisomy, or one is missing. The chromosome which is not passed to the cell, that becomes 22. Abnormality in chromosome number may originate during the meiotic or mitotic divisions. Name is given the trisomy. Instead of that is the name is given trisomy. R45 chromosome. How the 45? 23 plus 22, they become 45. Monosomy, the term used. Non-disjunction may involve first and second meiotic division and also in the sex chromosomes. So sex chromosome non-disjunction, if occur, they both pass to the daughter cell. If combined with Y, it becomes double XY. Because it should be 1X, but it's a double chromosome, 2X, and it combined with Y, it becomes double X, which is the lead to a syndrome, or trisomy, or Klinefelter syndrome. Similarly, the X and Y, they fail to separate. They combine with female cell, double XY, and what is left is X. If X combined with, say, 23 sperm chromosome, it becomes 45, which is monosome. Only X cell. If combined with Y, then Y is 23, it is 22, it becomes 45. Some cells, 40, normally the somatic cell divide into 46, 46. If one chromatid pass to the other chromatid, not the chromosome, then become 47 in one side, 45 other side. So there are two cell lines, two type of somatic cells. Somatic are those which forming the whole body. There are two cell lines. The 44 autosome number, 43 sex chromosome, 45 plus sex, 43 plus sex chromosome and 45 plus sex chromosome. They become 45, one chromosome number, other is 47. It is different from the sex because it is the somatic cell. It is a condition in which two or more cell type contain different number of chromosomes. Person may become normal and abnormal, lead to less severe phenotype. That is, their appearance is not very severe. And IQ of the child is normal, intelligence. In this case, what has been seen, why it occurs? That is during non-disjunction, one chromatid is get lost in the cytoplasm. That is the reason. If one chromatid is lost, one will receive 45 cell will receive 45, other will receive 46 chromatid. The chromosomes separate normally, but one of them is delayed in its migration and is eventually lost. So two cell lines are there. Sometimes the different syndromes are present. Those which having the 45 number, 46 will not produce anything. So two type of somatic cells. Sometimes chromosome break and pieces of one chromosome attach to the other. That is such translocation may be balanced, in which case I told you that is the structure abnormality. Structure abnormality, sometimes chromosome break and piece of one chromosome attached to the other. Say, such translocation may be balanced. Balance means the chromatin material which is detached or break, that attached to the other does not create any problem. Yeah? And such translocation may be balanced, in which case leakage and reunion occur between the two chromosomes, but no critical genetic material is lost. So that is the same type of genetic material which is added up to the other. So nothing happens in balance. And individuals are normal and they may be unbalanced translocation, in which part of the one chromosome is lost and altered phenotype are produced. For example, unbalanced translocation between the long arms of the chromosome 14 and 21 during meiosis. Meiosis 1 and 2 produces gamete with an extra copy of chromosome 21. One of the cause is the Down syndrome, which means a part of the chromosome is detached and attached to the other. 14, say from the 14 it is detached and 21 receive that, and it becomes 3 chromatid. So that is trisomy. It is one of the cause of the down. Trisomy 21 is caused by extra copy of chromosome 21. Now, in the question which is usually asked, why the Down syndrome occurs? Because it is caused by extra copy of chromosome 21 trisomy. That is the cause. And also, one thing which is asked regarding give the morphological features of Down syndrome. What is the characteristic appearance of the child with Down syndrome? That give in list of the characteristic feature of Down syndrome. That is the question SCQ which is asked. Now, what is that is, there is growth retardation. Growth will not occur in such children. That is the retarded growth. Height is less. And that effect on the defect in the growth. Number 2 is the varying degrees of intellectual disability. These people are not intelligent. and they have a mentally subnormal, varying degree of intellectual disability. That is the brain defect. Craniofacial abnormalities. You have to mention all these. What the term used is morphological characteristic of Down syndrome. Morphology means what is the appearance of the any syndrome. Appearance of any syndrome. So they are retarded growth, less height, but mentally subnormal. Craniofacial abnormality include, which mean cranial mean the face, that is the skull and face abnormality. What is that? The list is given. Upward slanting eyes. That eyes are upward slanting. Epicanthal folds. Angle of the eye, the name is given epicanthus. Angle of eye. Medial epicanthus and lateral epicanthus. These are the two angles of the lids. Angle of the lids. So there is a fold are present, a mucosal fold. Flat face, nose is that is flat, and the face look like a flat. Small ears. This is the what is the trisomy 21. That is the extra copy of the chromosome 21 पे. Normally you can see these all chromosomes have been shown with two chromatid. These are the two chromatid because I told you that chromosome has two chromatid. Similarly, sex chromosome XX. These are 22 somatic chromosome. These are the XX. That is the 23 pair. 23rd pair. Now on 21 what has been seen, there are three extra copies. This one. 1, 2 and 3. There are three copies. And that lead to syndrome. Number 8 defect in the Down syndrome is cardiac defects. That is the heart is defectively formed, and there may be persistent or congenital anomalies in the heart. Hypotonia, decreased muscle tone. This is the muscular tone. Decreased hypomean, decreased tonia mean this tone of the muscle, and they are lethargic people. More have increased chance of developing leukemia. There are more chance of developing blood cancer. Leukemia is a blood cancer in such children. Infections, various infections occur, and the thyroid dysfunction occur. That is the autoimmune type, and premature aging before they become look like to be more aged as compared to the existing age. Broad hand with single transverse simian crease. The crease is present on the hand, and they on the biometric system thumb impression are the to form the identity card. There is a need of thumb impression. So that is quite different in the Down syndrome as compared to the normal people. That simian crease is present. These are the characteristics which have been shown of Down syndrome. That is small ears. These are the small ears. Small nose. They are actually small nose. Mouth and ears. Slightly bent fifth finger. Flat round face. Where it is look like flat. White spot on colored parts of the eye. Almond shaped eyes with skin folds covering inner corner. These are the inner corner of their skin fold. Short, stocky build. That is not retarded growth, you can say. This has been shown that upward slanting eyes. These are the eyes which are upward slanting. Palpebral fissure. This is the simian crease. That is the flat crease is present on the hand. single palmar flexion crease, not the 2-3 creases like in normal hand. Then the knuckle folds. Knuckle fold is posteriorly in the neck. These are the folds of the skin which are seen. Flat nasal bridge. Nasal bridge is totally flat, and which actually immediate give the or click on mind that is it is a Down syndrome. Protruding tongue. This is the tongue is put outside and it is protruding outside always. Another features are growth failure, flat back of the head, abnormal ears, many loops on the fingertips, palmar crease which is the straight crease, special skin ridge patterns, unilateral bilateral absence of one rib, intestinal blockage, that is intestine problem are there, umbilical hernia may be present, abnormal pelvis, diminished muscle tone, hypotonia, broad flat face, slanting eyes, epicanthus folds, short nose, short and broad hands, small and arched palate, the big wrinkled tongue, palate wrinkled, and the tongue, protruding tongue, dental abnormalities, congenital heart disease, enlarged colon, big toes widely spaced. Next is the Klinefelter syndrome. It is found in male. Features are number one, sterility. They can't produce the child because the sperms are not formed. Azoospermic cases. They are azoospermic. Why they are azoospermic? Because testicles are very small. A testicular atrophy is present. They are small in size. The usual cause is that is the double XY, the XX they fail to separate, and when combined with Y they become double XY. Double X mean more female character or female character are there, and the testicular atrophy rather is present, and these are non-functioning testes. Hyalinization of the seminiferous tubules. Seminiferous tubules they are filled with hyaline material and non-functioning. No spermatogenesis occurring. Gynecomastia, breast development is there. The breast is developed. Cells have 47 chromosome with sex chromosome complement double XY. Now, these are people that are tall with testicular atrophy, and intellectual disability is not found. In my experience, I have seen that the one or two doctors and even medical students, they were Klinefelter, and they achieved the higher postgraduate degrees also, even, and higher education in spite of MBBS, like FCPS and others they have done, and they are very intelligent peoples, but they are having gynecomastia. That is, the breast is seen protruding out. These are the few. They are very tall people, taller than average height, reduced facial hair. That is the actually the testes are atrophied, so secondary sex characters they are reduced, like face, moustaches, beard, and the pubic hairs, reduced body hair, breast development, gynecomastia, feminine fat distribution, female-like distribution, like on buttock and the shoulders and the abdomen, osteoporosis, bones are weak, small testes, testicular atrophy, These are shown small testes, number that is the fat distribution, and varicose veins are there. Osteoporosis, varicose veins are there in the limbs. Next is the Turner syndrome. Phenotype is look like female, where Turner look like male. Phenotype is female. Here again the cause is the chromosome that shift to the other side, which become 47, and which fail to receive, that become 45. X karyotype only if it fertilize with the Y. Monosomy compatible with life. Characteristics are number one, absence of ovaries, gonadal dysgenesis. That is, ovaries are not developed, absence of ovary, gonadal dysgenesis, short stature. Webbed neck, there is a skin fold are present on the neck, lymphedema of the extremities, that is swollen extremities, skeletal abnormalities, they are there. The broad chest with widely spaced nipples, chest is broad, non-disjunction in male gamete is the cause. That is the non-disjunction in male gamete is the cause. Here is the features of the Turner syndrome. They are short stature, female looking. Webbing of the neck is there. Neck having fold. Low posterior hairline. Coaptation of the aorta. That is the narrowing of the aorta. Broad chest and widely spaced nipple. Cubitus valgus. Pigmented navy, that is pigments are present. Steak ovaries, infertility, amenorrhea. That is steak ovaries, very small ovaries, infertile and amenorrhea. Peripheral edema, lymphedema at birth.